Getting that dreaded OneDrive storage full message? Running out of free space can be super frustrating. But don't worry, we have got the fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we will show you how to deal with the OneDrive not enough free space issue on Windows 11 and how to free up storage without losing important files. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Unthink your OneDrive account. When you see OneDrive is full, unlink your existing OneDrive account from your system. Here is how to do so. Click on the taskbar icon to open the hidden icons. Look for the OneDrive icon and click on it. Click on the gear icon and select Settings. Go to Accounts, make sure you are logged into your OneDrive account. Now click on Choose Folders. You will see all your files. You can delete unnecessary files and folders to free up storage. If you need all the files and still require more space, consider upgrading your OneDrive plan. Method 2. Check for sync errors. Click the OneDrive icon on the taskbar. If there are any error messages like can't sync file, click View Sync Problems. Follow the recommended steps to fix the issue. This could be a file name issue, permissions error, or conflict, etc. Method 3. Rename files or remove special characters. OneDrive can have trouble syncing files with special characters. To fix this, open OneDrive using Windows Search. Rename any files or folders that have these special characters. Make sure no file name is too long. You should keep it under 255 characters. Method 4. Reset OneDrive. Press Win+R to open Run. Type %localappdata %/Microsoft/OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset or c:/program file/Microsoft OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset. Press Enter. This should restart OneDrive fresh and often fix stubborn issues. Method 5. Check your storage online. Visit OneDrive online. Check if you have shared files or recycle bin taking up storage space. Empty the recycle bin and remove large shared folders if needed. Method 6. Reinstall OneDrive. Open Settings, search for Add or Remove Programs. In the search bar, type OneDrive. Click on the three dots menu next to Microsoft OneDrive. Click Uninstall and Confirm. Now reinstall OneDrive and log in with your account credentials and check if a fresh installation could fix the issue. And there you have it. The best ways to fix the OneDrive storage full problem and reclaim your space. We hope one of these methods helped you clear up your storage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment below to let us know which solution worked for you. It could help someone else too. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will catch you in the next video.